Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are a new YouTuber who just started his YouTube channel, or if you are a struggling YouTuber who is really worried about getting subscribers, then you are at right place, because this video is for you.
Wow!
So, in this video, I'm going to talk about some rules that are actually designed by YouTube itself, which you might not know. So, by following these simple rules, you can grow your subscribers amazingly in no time. Trust me, you can do it. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video.
3, 2, 1!
All the points are really important. Please do not skip the video. So, firstly, you need to understand that there are two types of videos. First one is long video, and the second one is short video. The question arises, which one is more important? Let me tell you. Short videos are more important if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, because people these days love to do scrolling, and YouTube has launched this short video feature in competition with TikTok. YouTube actually wants and helps people to get viral through the short videos, and this is the reason the reach of short videos are much more than the longer videos. So if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you need to focus more on short videos rather than the long videos. The second more important point is consistency. If you're not consistent, you can't be successful. Remember that more you upload videos, there is a more chance of getting people's attention. So upload your videos regularly. And the third and the most important point is to believe yourself. Trust me, you can do anything. You can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible in this world. All you need is to never lose your hope. Do not get worried. Just work hard and believe yourselves. Now, get up. Don't waste your time. This is your time to do something. Simply follow all these rules and tell me in the comments about your results. I'm sure you all will succeed one day. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.